What's going on, guys? I'm Brooks from Big Number One Motorsports, and I'm going to show you something that's taller than me. It's the RZR Turbo. It's got big tires. Check it out. Whoever did this, whoever it was, did it and did it right. I was happy to see this and really see some of these things that are done correctly with all the right parts. And this is one of those little beasties. Super ATV, higher A-arms. Get this baby way up in the air, and of course they've slapped on your 20s. Yeah, that's got 20s on it. This tire is really, really popular for some of the guys that really want to do a whole lot of mud riding and everything else. Get your slim profile and big wheels. You know, big wheels look good. But besides the looks and everything else, the operation of this is going to be exactly as you need it, because they've gone and put your big travel, excuse me, these are the ones for the big lift, Rhino axle 2.0s and heat-treated chromoly steel. They work well. The big thing about these is the fact that they're designed to twist under load. When you get these big tires are rolling with that 168 horsepower that's in this engine, it is a differential and an axle killer. These babies, they will actually twist and pop back, kind of like remember the old water weenies, you know what I'm talking about? They bounce too. These will also do the same thing, but stay in place where you need them to be. They are thick and expensive, but they work. Purpose built. I'm sure you noticed, and I don't think you could actually miss it, but the big old rock sliders down here, bright orange, hunter orange, you can see it. But the thing that makes these things unique is they are also steps. Got this nice flat spot right here, put your step up on, because this baby, like I said, is tall, and I'm apparently not. But the inside of this is pristine. This thing only has 18 hours on it. Whoever bought it first off wanted it to perform correctly and wanted it to look really good too. It's brand new in here. Like, I love the smell of SC1. Plus, it still has probably the fastest moving part at Big Number One, floor drains. Whether they leave legally or illegally, they move quick. Warrior risers up here. Put your snorkel kit way above. These are not like your basic stuff you're going to find like snorkelmyatv.com or anything like that. These bad boys are thick, correct, and sealed. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. Plus, it looks cool. Doesn't look like it's been added aftermarket at your uncle's house. They did this one right. On the back side of this baby, there's a lot going on. Fully boxed, welded, sealed radius arms. Those babies are tough. Again, Super ATV, fantastic company. They do what you need to do. This baby can get you up to 10 inches in the air. Add that too. But, I already talked about the axles. You know about Super ATV. Exhaust. It's pretty, ain't it? They even call it a beauty plate. It's actually called a beauty plate. Look it up. 4-inch tips on the backside of this thing. They are black powder coated. But the cool thing about this is it is actually not a packed muffler. Inside there you got louvers and chambers and everything else. You don't have all that stuff that can break up, rattle around, and then sound really not cool on the backside of your super cool RZR Turbo. But open exhausts usually do what? Well, they spit flames and sparks and hot stuff. And the USFS, gotta write that down. USFS doesn't like that. This has a USFS approved spark arrestor built into it, and there's dual exhaust, baby. I dig it. This one is done correctly. This really is a sweet machine. You can get it for way up under the actual value here at Big Number One Motorsports. Come and see me, Brooks.